What's up guys, Major here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can watch 360 degrees video, as in you can turn around in 360 degrees on YouTube. So let's get started. I'm going to be Opera Mini, so it's already open. I've already opened the 360 degrees. You can see if I move around, I can move around here, but I'm going to show you guys. So if you open youtube.com, it's going to take you to home. Actually, let's go there. I'm not signed in right now, but yeah, I'll be signed in a bit. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to 360 degrees. Yeah, you're gonna come here and then you're gonna find the one you like. So I'm gonna be like look for the one probably that I like. So let's use GTA 5, the one that I showed you in the beginning of this video. So you can see it's kind of laggy though, because yeah, I'm using a USB internet. You can see I connected my iPhone to my PC. So yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna increase it for quality a little bit. So like I'm gonna like make it 480p. Yeah, it's gonna be like fucked up too, cause yeah, my internet connection is pretty fucked. Yeah, but yeah, wow, it's fast today. So yeah, you can see if I move around, I can see whatever the guy is seeing. And whoa, because his head, fuck, like the guy got no head or something. You can see you can move around in 360 degrees. You can see once this play button right here on the screen right here, you can see I can use it to move around in 360 degrees. Sorry about that, guys. In 360 degrees, I can move around in 360 degrees. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to see more videos. And if you want to see more of these tutorials like this, tell me in the comment section down below. And yeah, so yeah guys, that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Hit the like button, don't forget.